So here we had a wonderful financial consultation call with Mr. Devidas Chaudhary from Navi Mumbai. And Mr. Devidas ji, it was amazing knowing you personally as well as financially. And thank you very much for being there for the consultation. So I just wanted to know your feedback, your takeaways from the last more than one hour we are in the discussion. So what is your takeaways for the meeting? Over to you, sir.
Yes, it was really wonderful, Shyam, to interacting with you, and I gone through your the modules, and it was really inspiring me, and especially the trigger point for me that very early life you free from the job and all kind of these things, and you have the financial freedom, and that's why then how I connected with you. Last this session especially, I just come to know what are the things I am doing right, what are the gaps are there, how to fill those gaps. I think that is really a kind of eye opener for me as well. So, and I'm looking forward to connect with you more and more in future, so that I will be financially free as soon as possible, and secure my life and my family life as well. Really a big thank you to you.
Yes, yes, definitely. Thank you very much, Devidas ji, for your kind words and wonderful words. And definitely, I have all your inputs with me. And definitely, as discussed, I will make the once again the plan for you, and we will connect once again very soon. So thank you very much once again. Best regards to you, and wishing you a financial free life very soon by next 12 to 15 years, as we discussed. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thanks, Shyam. Thanks a lot.